Sariwa mula sa third place finish sa 5th FIBA Asia Cup sa Wuhan, China. Tuloy-tuloy ang Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang paghahanda para sa darating na FIBA World Cup sa Espanya. At ang unang sabak ng Gilas Pilipinas, Miami, Florida.
Fajardo is there for the Del free for the three. Yes, sir! Mingles throws it down. Enorio baseline move. Ang pambansang reverse for Jack Chan for three. Yes, sir! The stop, Minggu. Punta taga ni Gabe Norman. Marcus Townsend says, get out of here. Gary, he launches another one. Wow! Castro, hinanap si Chavez for the two-handed throw down. Jimmy launches it. Wow!
Right now, Larry finding heaven. Puso lang, nothing else but pure heart.
Just a reminder, we're here for work, okay? Lest anyone forget, we're here for work, for really hard work. We just have something very light today. We just want you to break a sweat. The way we've scheduled the training is we're going to be loading this week. Okay, so loading tayo, it's going to be hard. Our focus is going to be to get in great shape these 10 days. Hey, big guy! Oh, yeah!
Dito sa Miami, unang nakasama ng Gilas Pilipinas ang bago nating kababayan, ang NBA veteran na si Andrei Blatche. Pero sino nga ba si Andrei Blatche?
One thing I've heard is Filipino fans are very intelligent. Filipino basketball fans, they're very sophisticated. They understand what's going on. And I think everyone agrees that having Andrei, you know, is going to improve our chances. I think having him here gives us a legitimate fighting chance. And in the end, that's all we want.
Kahit yung mga world powers sa basketball tulad ng Espanya, sa US, nag-naturalize din. Si Olajuwon, si Tim Duncan. So ginagawa ng ibang bansa, kung hindi natin ginawa, may iwan talaga tayo.
Ngayon sa Pilipinas, Andrei Blatche is a person of exceptional merit and ability, and we are getting him because we need him.
I'm here for a reason, and it's, it's basketball. It's something I love to do. I'm over here because I want to learn about the culture here. I want to be a part of something new.
Sa pagsugal kay Andrei, kasabay nito ang pagbibigay ng bagong simula sa kanyang basketball career at bagong pag-asa para sa bayan.
That's Puso.
Yes. With emphasis.
Puso.
Puso. Yeah. Run!
Yan o. Tanda ba kita dyan?
Oh, masa yung dalawa?
Nagduduta pa.
They will split up half of you. Oh, come on!
So still there na?
Kala namin natakbo tayo eh.
Saan tatakbo? Dito.
Matagal nang hinintay ng Pilipinas para muli makatungtong sa FIBA World Cup. Kaya naman malaking balita ito. Hindi lang sa ating bansa, kundi maging sa buong mundo. Saksi sa training camp ng Gilas Pilipinas, ang American Grandland editor at Pacific Rim's author na si Rafe Bartholomew.
It's been really interesting for me being away from the team for a while, really since they won the FIBAs last year, to come in and watch them work on their shooting, relearning the dribble drive, and hearing Coach Chot and his staff explain how that's going to help in the FIBA World Cup competition, where they're going to be playing these bigger players. It's a whole new look for them, and you can see Coach Chot and his staff really trying to get them together.
Going into the World Cup, going into this level, we're going to have rules, we're going to have principles, but the same strengths that we have as a team, which is speed and quickness, we have to make those strengths at the defensive end as well. Because you're going to be outsized, you're going to be out-experienced and a lot of skill in these teams in our pool.
Sa paghahanda ng Gilas Pilipinas sa pinakamalaking entablado sa mundo ng basketball, muling kinuha ni Coach Chot Reyes ang serbisyo ng international champion coach na si Thomas Anthony Tab Baldwin ng New Zealand.
The big difference with the PBA, in the PBA, we need to be strong. Diba? We need to be physical because all the grappling and all the handling, that's getting in the way of our quickness in the FIBA. Because sa FIBA, if we get strong, then we can't move. So what coach is saying, we have to be more relaxed and quicker, just stay in front, get your man. Sa PBA kasi, hindi natin nilalagay yung mukha natin sa harap ng bola kasi pwede natin hawakan eh. Eh dito hindi pwede. Work on your ball handling, Japet. Combi drill, combi, offense, defense. Yan, yung mukha mo, sa harap ng bola, Gary, yung mukha mo, para di ka maiwan. Yan.
Skip got it there. The ball arrives and the defense arrives. Get that in your head.
Good, good. Good. Good, good. Yan, yan. Yan, there you go, good. Okay, okay. Okay. Hold. Okay, bola kay coach. Dito natin pwede gamitin yung kamay natin. So when we deny here, backdoor Del, backdoor. Yan, pwede natin hawakan konti. Okay, wag natin yakapin, pero dyan natin pwedeng... Yan! Habol, that's it! Now, run! Good, get there, Jay! Good. Jay! Kaya tayo nahirapan, di ba? Pang Jordan, pang Iran, hirap na hirap tayo sa table time. Kasi yung weak side, hindi umu-open up sa atin. Kaya tayo nahirapan pag kinikick out, di ba? We gotta unlearn what we've been doing in the PBA because we gotta pick this up. We got 1 month to do it. Every practice counts, gentlemen, huh? Good work, huh? Oh, Gary D, you have something for us? Sige, that's it.
Patindi ng patindi ang ensayo ng Gilas Pilipinas. Dahil dito, hindi na iwasan makaramdam ng ilan ng sakit ng katawan. Sa 16 na players sa training pool ng Gilas, 12 lang makakapasok sa final lineup sa FIBA World Cup. Kaya naman puspusan pa rin ang pagpapakitang gilas ng bawat manlalaro. Unti-unti na rin gumaganda ang chemistry ng team kasama si Angray.
Game! Good.
Post-practice pizza, courtesy of Mr. Blanche. Appreciate it.
This is the secret. This is how you get fed. Right here.
building blocks, huh? Every day we pick something up, huh? Let's go. We gotta make sure that we're constantly working on our push from the backcourt. That's important.
Let's look at our ball screen stuff real quick.
A good ball screen defense is going to help our offense.
How do you feel about the team? What does the team need to accomplish in this next month?
We're still far away at this point. The morning session we're putting our screen rules, our ball screen rules, our post defense rules. We're really, kind of cramming where we don't have the luxury of 2 or 3 months together.
Pagkatapos ng ensayo, inimbitahan ng Gilas Pilipinas ng isang Pinoy community sa Miami para magsalo-salo.
Siyempre, ugaling Pilipino talaga na nagdadamayan, nagsusuportahan, di ba? Iyon yung maganda sa ating mga Pilipino.
Mababaliw ang mga Pilipino pag hindi nakakakain ng Filipino food, lalong-lalo na pag sinigang. Kasi dyan kami laki nila Gary David mga pritong galunggong, mga ganyan.
Sa pagpapakahirap ng Gilas Pilipinas sa training camp, pangtanggal ng pagod ang maramdaman ang suporta ng ating mga kababayan.
Sa wakas, nakakain din ako ng Pinoy food ulit.
Sinigang, man, this is the stuff right here.
Sarap, busog. Lalo na si Bo. Nakatikim ulit ng kanin.
Araw-araw pagod, tapos ngayon na-charge kami sa Filipino food na nakakasanayan natin araw-araw sa Pinas. Kaya malamang panibagong lakas to.
Para naman kay Gary David, isang pambihirang sandali ang makita at makapiling muli ang kanyang kapatid na si Ate Mai at ang pamilya nito.
Ito, pinapakilala ng ate ko. Matagal kami din nakita after 6 years. Dahil dito siya nakatira na sa Miami.
Pinlano namin to para naman mabigyan ng parangal yung Team Philippines natin for FIBA World. Kasi especially malaking sacrifices yung mga binibigay nila para sa bayan. Nung nalaman ko last March sa write-ups na pupunta silang Miami, so sabi ko, ako lang bahala pag nandito ka na, bahala na. Huwag kang mag-alala, kami ang bahala sa inyo dito.
Ang ganitong klaseng pagmamahal at suporta ng ating mga kababayan ang nagbibigay lakas sa Gilas Pilipinas para makamit ang tinatamasang tagumpay sa FIBA World Cup.
Go Gilas Pilipinas! Puso!
Mahigit 2 buwan ang ilalaan na oras ng Gilas para sa karangalan ng bansa, kabilang sa matinding sakripisyo na kanilang pinapasan ay ang malayo sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay.
For me, ito yung pinakamahirap yun, hindi mo mayakap yung mga mahal mo sa buhay dahil siyempre nandito ka nagtitrain para sa bayan.
Hi, Danica! Beautiful life, beautiful life. Beautiful life.
Hey, Cash. Love you.
Love you.
Iba yung feeling nung magkakasama kami dito. Masaya, syempre. Siguro part din ng pagiging player ng Gilas Pilipinas.
It's tough seeing your son on there just, crying, and his dad's not there to tuck him in at night and things like that. But at the same time, I think, it's good to know that you have your wife there, supporting what you do, taking care of your kids, both my sons, and you go from happy to sad to where you want to just go home and you know, at the end of the day, this is what we sign up for.
It means a lot. You know, I think the toughest part of the training isn't really the training itself. It's being away from my wife and my son. But again, you know, it's part of the sacrifice. You know, but it was great today. It's kind of gave everybody some renewed energy.
Okay, today is just gonna be a light day, so no weights, no lifting. All we're gonna do is just play basketball, okay?
So Coach, you said this was going to be a day off for the guys, and I guess there is only one practice, but it seemed like it was a heck of a practice.
Yeah, it was light in the sense that we're not going to have two practices. There's not going to be any kind of lifting, no real conditioning drill. But we don't have enough time to really take a full day off, so we just wanted to play.
Isang espesyal na araw para kay Coach Chot. Ang araw na ito, ngunit alang-alang sa bayan. Sakripisyo at puso ang kanyang tanging kahilingan.
We've got a good warm-up. We'll go 2-on-2, working on a run and jump, 4-on-4, and then 5-on-5.
We never double the dribbler's eyes. If he's looking, we don't double. He turns his back, that's what we do.
You know, we're learning so much, and we're getting the chemistry down, we're getting the defensive principles down.
We're not making the same mistake, you know, yesterday and the day before that. We're improving every day, so I think that's a good sign.
Na-adapt agad yung mga tinuro ni na Coach Tab na mga dapat namin gawin pagdating ng FIBA World.
Sa kalagitnaan ng matinding ensayo, isang bisita ang dadalaw para kumustahin ang Gilas.
Siyahan ako dahil parang enjoy na enjoy sila, which is good. Importante kasi yun. Sometimes merong atmosphere na parang medyo either tinatamad o walang enthusiasm. Ito hindi, really high energy. Magtutuloy-tuloy yan, maganda para sa atin. Celebration of his birthday.
Oh, 200, titira na ako ngayon.
Hindi kasama ko! Hindi kasama ko! Hindi na lang!
Tabla! each. Okay?
It was it's your birthday already in Manila. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And you guys had a little shooting competition. You had the hot hand.
Of course, yeah.
How did it feel?
Well, like I told them, I'm reserving my half-court shot for when the stakes are high. So it was a $200 pot today, so I told them I was going to get that big pot.
That pressure you started practicing today will be an important part of your what you have to do against the teams you'll face.
Yeah, I think eventually that's going to be our bread and butter. I don't know if we can really defend the half-court because teams are just going to pound the ball on us. But at least if we're picking up full court and we're pressuring, we completely take them out of their offense.
Sa sakripisyong nilalaan ng bawat player sa practice, malaking bagay naman para sa kanila ang inspirasyong nahuhugot mula sa pamilya.
Proud ba? Proud?
Proud.
Namana ba yung dapat sa iyo?
Praise God.
Namana sa kainan.
Lumipad sina Peter at Josephine Aguilar mula sa Chicago para suportahan ang kanilang anak na si Japet na matagal na nilang hindi nakakasama.
Sobrang saya, sobrang inspire ako ngayon kasi hindi months yung binibilang sa next time na magkikita kami, years yung binibilang. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil binigay niya yung opportunity na to sa yung time na makita ko yung parents ko.
Isang linggo na ang nagdaan. Unti-unti nang nahahasa ang galing ng Gilas sa hard court. Pero alam ni Coach Chot na kailangan pa ng konting timpla para sa mas matatag na samahan.
What we're doing is absolutely not normal. What we're trying to achieve here has never been done before.
In the team-wise, with us, and the things that we want to do, it all starts with the belief of if we're going to do this, let's believe and let's do this, the way we want to do it. And
who knows if we'll ever be in this situation again or given this situation again. I think that's what really stuck out to me, him being able to just grasp the chance, the opportunity, and just run with it.
It takes courage to really try to beat something that everybody says is unbeatable.
We don't have the same abilities as other teams. We don't have the same height. We don't have the same athleticism. Same skill set. But what I do see from being with y'all for a short amount of time is, we have heart.
Walang imposible kung sama-sama yung talento natin eh. Kahit alam natin na mas malalaki sila, mas malalakas, yung pusong pinag-uusapan, kung mas malaki yung puso natin, walang imposible doon.
Binigyan tayo ni God ng maraming opportunities. So, pero ito yung pinakamalaking pagsubok sa atin, yung World Cup. Pinoy naman tayo, alam naman natin yung Pinoy, hindi basta-basta sumusuko eh. So, habang umaaray, mas lalong tumatapang eh.
I think it's really just embracing this opportunity, and really pouring, like the guys have said, our heart, our courage, this brotherhood and this family that we have, because at the end of the day, we're all we got. It's tough, and at the same time, we have a hell of a mountain to try to conquer, but, we've already shocked the world once, and to be on the world stage, I think we just got to lay it all on the line and take our shot.
It's such an honor and a privilege for me to be part of this team, to be leading you guys in battle. It is my life's work. It is my life's work. Okay, I don't believe in the saying that it's just business, it's not personal, because for me, in teams, everything is personal. So I'd much rather have I yell at you and you yell back at me. But after that incident, you go back and you play your ass off. We're passionate, we're emotional. We play hard. We play hard. That's Pinoy. Let's just play Pinoy. And ganun tayo eh.
Sa paghahanda ng Gilas sa lahat ng aspeto para sa darating na FIBA World Cup, masusubukan na ang lahat ng ito sa kanilang unang laro kontra sa isang professional American team sa Miami. Kabilang sa makakalaban ng Gilas ay ang pilang PBA player na si Rob Reyes. Si Rob ay lumaki sa Jacksonville, Florida.
First and foremost, I think this team is really close. I think it seems like they have a special bond. They all like each other, they're all having fun. And I really think that's going to be one of the most important things going to Spain and in the Asian Games. When they face adversity, they're all going to be able to rely on the fact that they're all so close. I mean, for me, from my end, it's been a pleasure and an honor just to be a part of it and to witness what they're going through before they leave for the World.
Okay, we gotta play our own level, huh? Doesn't matter who we're playing against. We gotta come out. We gotta create good habits. Here we go, Laban Pilipinas! Puso! Another thing that the little guy wants to do when you show is he splits it. Okay, he splits your defense, so keep your inside hand down. Inside hand down so you can split that with his dribble. Okay? This pass with dribble handoff here, this guy is circling around. Dribble handoff coming through, and then one more screen here. And then we're getting that ball screen. This might be Ranidel on the lag, Marcus coming around, and then we're attacking off that. Attack harder on offense, attack. So now if LA is being pressured by the little guy, you'll be the attack guy. Bring LA to the corner. Okay. Here we go, Never Pilipinas! Remember, when we're penetrating, the strong side doesn't help, okay? But that doesn't mean that you're not showing yourself. So if the little guy is here with the ball, you got a guy here, you want to show yourself here in the middle, but you're facing your man. Depends who the bigger guy is guarding. If he's got Marcus now, Marcus is going to be the loops, is going to be the track guy. Marcus, Gabe, take a look if we have Skip or Junmar with the short guy there. Skip to Jeff, and then let's get it.
Hey, let's go. Hey, another push, White. Hey, another push, White. Let's go.
Coach, we just had our first scrimmage here. It's Saturday afternoon. What are your impressions for how the guys played?
Well, first of all, we wanted to have a scrimmage to play somebody else aside from ourselves. You know, after 1 week playing among ourselves, I thought it was an important change of scenery. We're thankful. Andre rounded up some pro-am guys, and you know they gave us a big run. But obviously they're not an organized team. But still, I wanted to have. My impression was that number one, I thought we put in the effort. If we put in the effort, that's number one. Number two, we got a good run. I wanted us to get up and down the floor. I want us to be able to play and play everybody as well. But at the same time, prepare for the team tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're playing against an organized team. And I've seen their lineup. They got a couple of 6'10", 6'9", 6'8". So that's going to be the real test for us here in Miami. So I wanted this to be a sort of a warm-up.
Mas malakas at matangkad ang makakalaban ng Gilas sa ikalawa nilang tune-up game sa Miami. Pero mas paborito sa paghahanda ng kupunan.
Same thing, we start to stick within our one defense for now for the pick and roll, Here we go, Laban Pilipinas! Puso! nakaharap kayo sa tao nyo, tumitira, lalaki niyan eh. Taas nyo na yung kamay nyo para mas mukha tayong mas malaki.
Malakas ang kalaban ng Pilipinas, pero sa pangalawang sunod na laro, nagpakitang gilas si Dre at tila sinisigaw ng kanyang laro na hindi nga nagkamali sina Coach Chot na kunin ang kanyang serbisyo.
Andre and Japet, okay, same set situation. Jason dribbles down on zipper, gives it's a back screen for Andre. Looking for him in the post, okay? If it's not, if it's there, then we're in our post offense. Pass, cut. If you don't have it, Andre, dribble up, the game coming around. If we can't pass the ball to Gabe, we reverse it. If we can't pass the ball to Andre, we reverse the ball to Gabe.
Hey, 20 minutes, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Puso, Laban Pilipinas!
Puso!
Subukan nyo nang deny, try to deny. So if they post up any of the small guys, Dre is dropping. Dre is dropping up. Everyone is sticking still.
Hey, just be ready to scramble.
Okay?
Just know that Dre's in the middle.
Spots, but be...
Kahit na marami sa kalaban ay mga NCAA at NBA D-League players, nasungkit pa rin ng Gilas ang panalo.
Can you tell us about yesterday's game against the Elevate semi-pro team and your impressions from that, the competition, what it was like?
I must admit that I really didn't think we'd do as well as we did, because when I saw the roster, I said, hey, these are legitimate, D-League players, and I think a few of them actually played in the D-League. We got to a stage where our 1,000 shots over the weekend really showed up in the game, and we were hitting the three-point shot, and every time our three-point shot is falling. then we'd have a chance, and I think that's what happened last night.
So overall, this week in Miami is basically over. The players have a little bit of conditioning work to do today, and then you guys are off to Spain. How do you consider it a success? It's just the building blocks. How's it going?
Yeah, I think our stay here, the training camp, has been a big success. So we were able to achieve the objectives that we set out. Number one, to get Andre into the swing of things, get him within the system to understand what we want to do. Number two, we wanted to work on our conditioning, get into basketball shape, World Cup basketball shape. And I think, and I said earlier that we were going to be in our loading phase in the training, and we've been able to achieve that. And thirdly, from a basketball standpoint, we were able to put in maybe 75–80% already of the stuff that we wanted to put in terms of offense, defense, and the schemes that we wanted. And finally, I think we've been able to make huge strides in building the chemistry, the bond. We have to build another atmosphere here, and I think we were able to achieve that in our 8, 9, 10 days here.
Umpisa pa lang ito ng mahabang paghahanda ng Gilas Pilipinas sa pagbalik sa World Cup of Basketball. Sa magandang simula ng mga bagong bayani ng bayan, tiwala at pananalangin ang maaari nating maiambag para makamit ang minimiting tagumpay. Laban Pilipinas, puso